Let's learn about translation. A translation simply means moving a shape, but without turning it, flipping it, or resizing it. It means moving every point of a shape the same distance in the same direction. Imagine sliding a piece of paper across the table. The shape stays exactly the same size, same orientation, it just lands in a new spot. How do we describe this movement? We can describe it precisely by a vector of x and y. This vector tells us how far and in which direction to move. X tells us how many units to move to the right or to the left if it's negative, and Y tells us how many units to move up if it's positive and move down if it's negative. For example, if we have a column vector of 3 over -2, it means you want to move the vector 3 units to the right and 2 units down. Looking at the diagram, we can say that point A is moved and become point A prime. The entire shape moves with it. The same shape, but just shifted in a different direction. The diagram on the right shows a translation in geometry. A translation, as I mentioned just now, it moves a shape from one place to another without changing the size, shape, or direction. In the image, the orange hexagon is moved in a straight path. It slides to the right and outwards. The result is a new position of the same shape. We end up somewhere else, but it looks exactly the same. Every point on the hexagon moves the same distance in the same direction. That's why we describe a translation using a vector. The vector tells us exactly how far to move left or right and how far to move up and down.